Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can mention anyone in your TikTok bio. Well, it is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing to do is launch a TikTok app. After launching a TikTok app, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. After making sure that you are logged into your account, now tap on your profile, which is on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner of your phone right here. Tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can see your TikTok profile has been opened. So in order to add bio, what you're going to do is tap on this button, Add Bio. After tapping on this button here, you can see if you want to write anything, you can simply just type in here and write anything in your bio. If you want to mention someone in your bio, here you can see the option of mention right here. Tap on it and then you can mention anyone. You can see just like that, you can mention anyone, and in order to save it, simply just tap on this save button on the top right corner right here. And just like this, you have mentioned someone in your bio. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.